Hey everyone, welcome back to Paid in Theta. This week I'm going to go over some of the plays that I did as well as go over the dividend I just got from AT&T. So I got 4.179 shares of AT&T to the dividend, and I bought it for me at $29.98. So let's just kind of do the math and see how much I actually made off this AT&T dividend, which was off of we sold a cash good put. Got to sign the shares, so we're holding on to them, and we're getting rewarded for holding on to it. So that's how many shares we have at the 29.9872. So we made 125.31. So let's go ahead and put this in our dividends. We got 125.3. We'll just say 32. Number of shares 4. What was it? 179. 179. Drag this down. There we go. So just off of selling cash grid puts, our dividends have raked us in $165. That's pretty good. Brings up our average weekly income. So everything's doing well, I would have to say. I will say I did go for MRVL. Honestly, I think it's a really good company. I want to hold it. I didn't even sell a cash grid put. I just bought 100 shares at $37.25. It's not right, 25. I bought it just myself because I'm very bullish on this company, and they have earnings next week, and I have a lot of faith in them. Their current price is 5 cents, 5 cents over what I bought it at, 100 shares. And I sold basically right at the money for $50. It's pretty good premium. Even if I get rid of it, I still got at least one share out of it, if not 1.5. So, I mean, it definitely was a bearish play in the sense that I bought 100 and sold it basically right at what it's worth. But the premium just makes sense. Like, I don't even know if you get a cash grid put that expensive. But so I just went ahead and sold a covered call on it. I bought at least one share, and then with my extra money, I bought 6 more just because I believe in it so much. Let me move this over to Theta Reinvestment. So now I have 25 shares of AT&T. So yeah, did that. That's teeter-tottering right now. Like I said, earnings next week. IV is going to be really high. They're probably going to do really good. It's like semiconductor stock, database. I mean, it has basically it's a technology stock, and it's pretty well priced, and I think it just has so much more room to grow. Uber really came back from the dead. It's at 32.68 right now. And my covered call is at 32.50. I said 33.50. Should have waited. I basically Monday morning sold it at 1%, which was the 23.50. I should have waited because I knew it was going to run up basically before earnings. Knew it was going to happen, but just wanted the $42. Took it. Now it's at like $150. Kind of sucks. Is what it is. Guaranteed money though. I got it in at it at 31. Now it's 32.50. So I'd be breaking $100 right there, and the $42 here. And then I made roughly the difference between these two. So like $45. So 45, 145 again. Almost call it 200, a little bit less than 200, like 190-ish. Not bad for a couple weeks. Uber is more of a risky stock, but like I said, it's a technology stock. I think technology stocks honestly bring way more premium, and honestly, they just tend to go up more. Like, they have in my opinion, a higher success rate than Bank of America. While Bank of America is a solid stock, and I would love to own it as I own 309 of them right now, I think that it's probably better for me to just stick to more technology stocks. Uber's done great for me. MRVL is doing pretty good for me. I mean, I know it's a very short time frame, but still Snapchat and AMD have been killing it for me. I've never lost on a cash put. So I think I should just go at these really, really hard. My Snapchat's doing really good right now. Let's see what's that. It's up 2.5% today. It kind of fell off, but still, I don't think it's going to get below $20. It still has a long way to go before I'm even. Let's see how far it has to go. Negative 7.6% before I get obligated to buy it at $20, and I made 1%. So I think that was a really good play. I'm going to continue, like I said, to go on Snapchat. I'm probably going to go into more tech companies as I go along. AMD is at like $83 right now. It was at 78. I mean, everything's going crazy right now. I mean, I don't want to get too much in this hype train, but I'm glad I've got this and I'm making money off of just holding the stock. So I'm basically like getting paid to lease these contracts out, which, I mean, they probably will go against me in the fact that I'll have to give them up and people will make money off of me, but still I'm making guaranteed money and I can't complain about that. So let's just go back to, so Bank of America, I'm actually technically profitable off these, even though I'm down off my assigned price. So let's go to Bank of America, just kind of show you, because I think it's very fascinating. So Bank of America right here, I have lost $462 off of Bank of America, basically from just the difference in this price, what I bought it at, and the price is at right now. So I lost $462, but I have made $504 in premium, not including the dividend, which is $36. So just say what, $540 I have made off of Bank of America. That's realized gains. I have actually made that money. Unrealized basically means it's still up in the air. It still could be gained or lost. I still hold it, so I haven't realized it. I've unrealized gains of $460. So I'm almost making $80 right there. That's pretty good. I mean, it's not great. It's not fantastic. It's not sexy, but it's money. And it still has to go up. If it goes to what I bought it at, I would be making, what, $1,000 almost? That's a good payday. I mean, you know, it might take another month to get there. I don't know. Who knows? Still, I can just keep selling these contracts right here for pretty close to the money. So the 26, it's at 25 right now, and get some pretty decent dividend. It's like 0.5%, but still 0.5%'s pretty good. I sold this one. I gave it 2 weeks and got basically 1%, so that's almost 0.5% a week. That's pretty good. I cannot complain with that. 0.5% is, it's one, it's guaranteed, and two, I am reversing these losses and making them gains. And if this goes up and dividends get paid, I get paid all along the way. And of course, I love getting paid. So AT&T, nothing's happening. Hopefully they've gone above the 30 mark, which is good. Hopefully they go a little higher and I could get some more money out of these contracts, because these contracts are basically worthless. It doesn't even make sense to close them out because it costs more to close them out than they are actually worth. So I'll just give them a couple of days and hopefully the price will go up. But yeah, that's basically where we're at. Made a good bit of money today, and so that's kind of the goal. My Robinhood, I made one play on QQQ. The price is $270, and I basically gave it a $4 window on the short side, and $8 window on the upside. I mean, we can just see QQQ. I bought 2 of these contracts, so $278. It's pretty flatlined. It had a pretty big bump up, but $278. It's going to be a hike. It could do it. Don't know. We will see. This iron condor thing just kind of, I don't know, just not as much money's on the line. Granted, I do have, I think, $400 in collateral, but I made $111. So I probably will close this out early just to kind of realize this gain. $26. It's not a lot. It's not a 112, which I originally get credit for. But last time, Friday comes around, stuff goes really wonky, really fast. IV's really high, and you could get a sign you could lose $400. So I'd rather take the $26. So I think I might start getting these contracts and kind of cutting them short and making money that way. To me, it makes more sense, just because the stock could be hovering at, like, you know, 276, one day or Friday, and then Friday afternoon it could just take off to 280. This market honestly is crazy, but there is money to be made, so this is how I'm making it. But yeah, that's what I did for Robinhood. But honestly, I'm more focused on my TD Ameritrade. I deposited a good bit more money in, and I am going more aggressively into technology stocks, and honestly, it's paid off. I can't quite say that yet. Knock on wood, fingers crossed. Hopefully it works out for me. But yeah, that's basically it. So that is all I've got for today, and I will basically show you how it closes on Friday and what these positions finish up on. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.